You are going to love the 2019 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, rear view camera. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.